Okay, so there's my Manica link, right? I'm going to press on it, which means I copied it, right? Then I'm going to go to my HOOPLA. Here's my Manica account, you see. Here's Conita, she's also joined up. Now I'm going to go on my HOOPLA. Rima, you should sign up under the HOOPLA. Ask one of the ladies to give you their HOOPLA link. Wrong one. Ach, baby man. Kom nou. I'm going to show you now what I meant by that sentence when I said put it into HOOPLA and shoot it, and put it into HOOPLA again and shoot it. Okay? I don't mean just put it once on the first page. No. HOOPLA is not going to help you like that. Okay? Here, HOOPLA says log in every day, review, update, and take action. It's your action that's going to take, that you're going to get, that HOOPLA is going to shoot out your link and get you a whole lot of people. The more you put that link, your links into HOOPLA, the more HOOPLA is going to be your best friend. Okay? Like they say there, it has been said that if one seeks to perform any great work, he must do it with his whole heart and with all his might. In business, this is the secret of success. Okay, there's my HOOPLA link. I'm going to go into it. Okay, so I'm going to log in. You must log in with your HOOPLA number, not your link. Your number that's shown. There it is. Let me just show you the whole page. When you open up your HOOPLA, you are going to see, log in. You're going to see that your HOOPLA link is already put there for you, right? So when you open up, you are first you're going to go down. You see there where it says first join, second join, third join. They're on the side. First join, second join, third join. We're going to go now on first join. There's spaces here at the bottom. Can you see? You're going to keep your finger on that space there. It's going to close there. You're going to go paste. That's my Manica link. Second one, keep your finger on there until it goes blue like that. Paste. Third one, keep your finger on there so it's like that. Paste. Because remember, I copied my link already. Keep your finger on there. Paste. Next one, keep your finger on there. Paste. Next one, keep your finger on there. Paste. Now you've done page 1. Now you're going to go save button. And you're going to go click on second join. That means page 2. Going to go down. Keep your finger in that space. Paste. Keep your finger in that space. Paste. Keep your finger in that space. Paste. You are posting your link in a whole lot of different traffic websites. What is a traffic website? A traffic website is a site where you can put your link, expose your link to the rest of the world, because over 800,000 people are visiting these kind of websites every day looking for income. Save button. So you are basically, HOOPLA has provided you a space to, instead of go all over the internet, HOOPLA has built this for you to put your link in all these different websites instead of going to look for the websites. You don't have to look for the websites anymore. It is here right in front of you. So now I'm doing page 3, which means join 3. And just pasting my link all over. There's no space. There's nothing in there. Good, just paste. Save button. After third join, quick free traffic. Click on there. Just means quick free traffic sites. Paste. Next. Paste. Next. Paste. And save. Next page is called resources. Now see, next page is called HOOPLA family. Next page is called world profit. Next page is called cash choose. And the last page is called one HOOPLA. So paste your go to each and every single page and post your link in there. Let me go to, because I'm doing this example, I'm skipping it, but you do not skip it. Paste it in all. But because I'm doing this example, I'm going to go to the last page now, which is one HOOPLA. That's my last page. Go there and you paste. Save button. Right. Now that was the first part of my explanation of that message I sent you. The reason I said paste it again, it means that I'm saying go right back to first join and go paste your same Manica link all over again. Exactly what you just did now. What I just did now, what you saw me do it again. Okay, I don't know why I'm going into my PayPal. Okay, did I just click on PayPal? Okay, there. Okay, I'm going right back on first join. And I'm going to go in the spaces. And I'm going to paste my Manica link in all the spaces, on all the pages, all over again. So instead of me now getting over 800,000 people to be sent out to around the world, HOOPLA is now going to send it to double that amount of people, which means 8 and 8 is 16. It's going to be 160,000 now. I've got a chance of people clicking on my Manica link for the day, for today only. Okay, so it's page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. HOOPLA has 9 pages of websites, traffic websites for you to put your link in. You don't have to ask your cousin or your mother or your brother or your father or anybody to click your link. You don't have to go stressing and searching, how am I going to get money? Because the money is in the golden plate right here in front of you that I'm giving you. Go now. Ask for somebody's HOOPLA link in our team now. Go paste it now. Take the Manica link, create your own one. Put your details in, your number, your phone number, and everything, your name, and get the link and start pasting it to the HOOPLA link right now. Anybody needs anything, I'm right here. Love you, love.